One skill every CA, CS, law student and practitioner needs is the ability to study and interpret statutes. Because statutes are the primary source of law, the ability to read, understand and apply statutes are critical for success of every student and practitioner. Legal interpretation is the legal term used to describe the process of reading and giving meaning to law. Legal interpretation is also called legislative interpretation, statutory interpretation, or sometimes statutory construction. The application of law is trying to match facts with legal rules. Legal literacy requires a basic understanding of principles of legal interpretation that are used to resolve disputes over legal meaning. Reading Bare Act is very essential for good interpretation of law. There is always a conflict in the mind of students whether they should read commentary books first or Bare Act. Reading commentary from books would be easier than reading Bare Acts. But students should read Bare Act first and then they should interpret that section according to their understanding, and after that they should read the commentary book to see whether they interpreted the given section correctly or not. So in this video we will see how to read a Bare Act. Reading Bare Act is reading the exact text of a particular enactment by legislature. The language of Bare Act is a bit harder and confusing. Most of the students, teachers, lawyers and even judges face the difficulty to understand the law by reading Bare Acts. Hi, this is Nikki from Practice Guru. Practice Guru is a channel which helps professionals like CA, CS, lawyers and other financial professionals to grow their practice with low risk. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. So let's start with the first point. Statutory provisions are often pretty short and it is easy to let yourself skim the statutes without really understanding the important details. Take the time to read the statute carefully and you will understand it better. So let's move to next point. The first thing before reading a Bare Act you have to do is see the purpose and objective of that particular act. You will have to find why that act was enacted by legislature. Almost every act provides a long title at the beginning which defines the purpose of that act. For example, the long title of the IGST Act 2017 is an act to make provision for levy and collection of tax on interstate supply of goods or services or both by the central government and matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Similarly, the long title of the Income Tax Act 1961 is an act to consolidate and amend the law relating to income tax and super tax. Always try to relate every section, clause and illustration with the purpose of the act. It will help you to have a clear understanding of the law. Once the purpose of the act is clear to you, you would be able to understand all the things very easily. Let's move to third point. Every act provides a definition clause at the starting of the act. This definition clause defines or explains some terms which are used in the act. Mostly section 2 of any of the Bare Act contains definitions. Sometimes there may be some words which are not defined in the definition clause. In such cases, you will find that particular word meaning in the General Clauses Act 1891. So friends, before moving to next point, if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. While reading the Bare Act, you should read the Bare Act as it is. Literal interpretation is the first principle of interpreting a statute. The principle of literal interpretation is widely followed by the judges. Literal interpretation means the Bare Act must be read as their plain and ordinary meaning. While reading Bare Act, do not guess any possible meaning. Let's move to next point. Sometimes Bare Act contain lengthy and complicated sentences which are very difficult to understand. In that case, you have to break the sentences into parts. Read it slowly with patience and take pause when you see the use of the comma. You cannot read Bare Act too fast. It is not easy like reading novel or other books. You need patience to read Bare Act and have a clear understanding of the law. You should give special attention to some terms like or, may, and, shall, should, etc. while reading. You cannot take these terms casually. Let's move to next point. For better understanding, you should take the help of commentary. Let's move to last point. One should decide whether they should prefer diglot edition of the Bare Act or the English version. According to us, diglot Bare Act must be preferred, where one side sections and articles are written in English and on the other side sections and articles are written in Hindi. So that if a person could not understand some particular phrase in English, he should refer to it in Hindi. Tell us how did you like our video. Please share it and comment on it. And also please subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Goodbye and keep growing.